Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how to fix the DNB Bank ID not working. First, check that your bank app is installed and updated on your phone. If the bank app is outdated, update it from the App Store. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Next, check your internet connection because bank ID verification requires a stable network. Then restart your phone and try logging in again through the DNB app. Then head over to your settings and then go to General, scroll down, go to Date and Time, and you should make sure your phone's date and time are set to automatic in this device settings because incorrect time settings can cause the authentication problems. If the ID still does not work, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then reinstall the app once you've deleted it from the App Store, and then log in again. That's how you fix the bank ID not working. Subscribe for more.